Alright, Las Vegas. So today we're performing a mainline replacement. I start by using a push broom to create a clear pathway, pushing the rocks aside for access to clean dirt. This ensures no mixing of rocks and soil. I also lay a tarp along the trench to keep the dirt separate, so when we backfill, the area looks as good as it did before we began. And as you can see here, we're starting the trenching process. It's a tedious process, but hey, somebody's got to do it. And who better to do it than Leak Experts USA? Come on now. So oftentimes when we're replacing main lines and we're digging our trench, we run into roots. So all we do is simply cut them out with a sawzall and keep moving. So for this next part, we should have been recording a little sooner, but we tunneled under this sidewalk in less than 5 minutes. We used a water hose, this copper pipe here, and a hammer, and in less than 5 minutes, we were through the other side, and now we got to repeat the process for the second sidewalk here. So now, unfortunately for our technician Mark, I have to step away to attend my son's soccer game. Balancing work and family is important to me, and I'm grateful our customer understands. I always get approval before stepping away, ensuring the job continues smoothly. And for me, it's all about keeping our clients happy and being there for family moments.
Have fun. Love you, boy.
Alright, so after the soccer game, we're back to work. We left off at tunneling under this first sidewalk here, and it looks like Mark has began trenching towards the irrigation, and now he's tunneling under the second sidewalk. Alright, I'm jumping in to assist Mark with tunneling under the second sidewalk. This one took a lot longer than 5 minutes, but we got the job done. If you take a closer look, you might be able to see the copper pipe we used for the tunnel extending out right there. And now we're placing our PEX-A piping inside of pipe guard. Since PEX-A is already highly resistant to corrosion and damage, this step isn't strictly necessary. However, we like to add this extra layer of protection to ensure the main line remains well protected for years to come, and it's all about providing extra peace of mind for our customers. Next, I'm capping the end of our PEX-A line with the shark bite fitting. This ensures no dirt enters the line as we feed it through the trench and tunnels, keeping everything clean and ready for connection. Here, I'm digging the trench a second time to ensure we have the proper depth. It's crucial to get the correct depth for the main line, so I'm double checking to make sure everything is precisely where it needs to be.
You still young, like what, you about 29?
Yes.
That's what my mom says. Every birthday she has, I'm 25.
Now I'm wrapping insulation foam and tape around the copper pipe that connects the underground PEX-A to the home's PRV valve and main shutoff. This step is crucial, especially in a hot climate like Las Vegas, to minimize potential issues caused by extreme temperature fluctuations. Insulation helps prevent condensation, reduces heat loss or gain, and maintains the efficiency of the water supply, ensuring everything runs smoothly. Here we're connecting our brand new PEX-A line to the water meter, and before we make our final connections, we turn on the water and blow out any rocks or dirt that might have gotten into the line. After making our final adjustments, we begin backfilling. Using a broom and shovel, we push the dirt back into the trench, then we carefully pull the tarp so the remaining soil falls in perfectly. Once the trench is filled, we level it out with a broom and finish by spreading the landscape rocks back over the area, ensuring it looks as if we were never there. With the final cleanup done, our mainline replacement project is complete. If you're looking to replace your main line at an affordable price, contact us at leakexpertsusa.com. We're here to provide a top-notch service and ensure your plumbing is in perfect shape. Let's go.